how you can send your current location via SMS from your iPhone. Now, this is a really useful trick and a really useful feature. You can do this to share your location with your friends, your families, in case you want them to come over, or even when you are in some kind of emergency. So I'll teach you guys how to do that. But before that, if you're new to our channel, just go down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on upcoming videos. Now let us start. First, just open up your Google Maps. Now, after you open your Google Maps, what you're going to do is go to your accounts right here. Now, after you do that, you will see an option to share your location. Like right here, it's called location sharing. Tap on that and just tap on share location. And after you tap on share location, now you want to send it through SMS. So what you're going to do is just tap on more options. And after you tap on more options, you will see the option to whom you want to send the location to. So just tap on one. And after you tap on one, you will have to just send this link from your SMS. Just tap on send and you'll have sent your location to that person. That is pretty much all, guys. That is how you share your location from SMS on your iPhone. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more.